Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NUBCAT token. Ticker symbol is NUB. Now this is a very popular token right now. They're up 76.82% in the past 24 hours. They're trending number 9 right now on DEX Screener. Now this token is on the SOLANA blockchain, and we're going to go over the information on this token and the security on this token, see if there's any audits we could find, any KYCs, any information that would lead us to believe that this potentially could be a scam risk. We're going to go over the information and try to find the audit and stuff like that in 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on DEX Tools, on DEX Screener, on SolScan. So according to SolScan, they have 9 decimal places on this token. Name of the token is NUBCAT, all one word, and NUB, NUB is the ticker symbol. Their official webpage is nubcat.xyz. They have a current supply of 999,998,993 tokens. So they most likely started out with an initial supply of 1 billion tokens, and this token is deflationary. And they also have here their Telegram, which you could find linked on their webpage. It's kind of like a bunch of gobbledygook numbers, so it doesn't have like a perfect address. But they have 1,781 subscribers on there, so that's a great place to find updates regarding the project. And they also have a Twitter, which I'm going to put up right in the corner of the screen here as usual. Brand new Twitter, just joined in February 2023. Well, it's not that brand new, I guess. Fairly new. 13,900 Twitter followers. They have a link to their webpage right on the Twitter there. You can find their Twitter at SillyNubCat, blue verified checkmark, and almost 200 tweets. So lots of memes, of course, as you scroll through their Twitter. This is very much just a meme token. And yeah, so you can go to their webpage. At the top of the webpage, they do have a contract address there. They have a buy button on their page that's going to take you over to RAYDIUM. Looks like they also have an Instagram and TikTok along with their Twitter and Telegram. They have a SolScan. You can click for the contract address on their webpage. So NUB is a silly cat, the silliest of all the goobers. They have a token metrics allocation pie chart on their webpage, which is literally a pie, which is funny. So it says total supply, 1 billion tokens, like I just mentioned. 75% of the tokens go to liquidity, 13% goes to team, 10% airdrop, 2% marketing. So I did see I did see a token come out yesterday too, I believe. Maybe called NUB Dog or something like that, is very similar. Just instead of a cat, it was a dog. And so I may do a video on that token as well, if that one is also popular, because it seems like they were both trending. This one, by the way, is trending. What are they trending right now? Number 9 on DEX Screener, and they're trending. Number 7 on DEX Tools right now. They are also listed on CoinGecko. We could pull that up as well, see if there's any security info on CoinGecko there. So you can find them listed on a bunch of different sites for the charts. And it says LP burnt, 0% tax, mint revoked, Legal disclaimer, NUB is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. NUB is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. When you purchase NUB, you are agreeing that you have seen this disclaimer. Now they have here they do have locked liquidity, it says. So first of all, that's the good security feature that we could see already. Almost all of it is locked. So if you go to DEX Screener and you look at their liquidity, it says $707,000 in liquidity in RAYDIUM. And it is locked. 99.29% of the total liquidity is locked. And that is 99.29% of the tokens are burnt as well. So yeah, market cap $19.1 million right now. They have a token price of around 1.9 cents per token, as of recording this video anyways. So they have a 24-hour trading volume right now of $39 million. They've had 58,000 total transactions. So needless to say, doing very well. And this token was just created within the last day or two as well. So this is a very, very brand new token with a huge market cap already. And yeah, so on CoinGecko, it says they're up 73.2%. So if we scroll through CoinGecko, they have the contract address, Instagram, SolScan, Twitter, and if you look through, you can't see any audits yet. It just says it's listed on RAYDIUM. Doesn't have any central exchange listings yet on CoinGecko. There could be some coming in the future though. Which brings us to DEX Tools. So DEX Tools says here that they have 1.84 thousand pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 18.46 million pooled NUB in RAYDIUM. They have a DEX score of 96 out of 99, so almost perfect. And they have a community trust score of 83.3% out of 12 votes. Now, the only audit they have here is a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. So this is the only one that I could find. Now, it says contract is verified, no honeypot, the owner cannot mint new tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So keep in mind, this is just a quick audit. I don't see a full audit anywhere, so it's unfortunate that there's no full audit, there's no KYC, things like that you would hope for. But according to their quick audit and their liquidity lock, there's no huge red flags or anything like that either. So it's hard to say 100% or not if this token is going to be a scam. It's very hard to say when they don't have a full audit that you could check. Ideally, if tokens had like full CertiK audits and KYCs and things like that by hacking security, these really big audits, that would be great. But for now, I can't see anything for sure that's going to say that this token is going to be a scam. But again, yeah, you should always keep looking out for full audits, things like that. Always do your own research. And I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.